Good evening, student. In the last lecture, we have learned about the definition of osmosis. Now, in this video, we will concentrate on three different conditions: isotonic, hypotonic, and hypertonic, and we will place the animal cell in these particular conditions and see the effect of these conditions on animal cell. So, let's start with our lecture. We have already learned that under osmosis, we can have three different type of condition. We can have hypotonic condition, then we can have hypertonic condition, and we can have isotonic condition. In case of hypotonic condition, the medium in which we are putting down the animal cell, okay, हमने ऐसा कहा कि हाइपोटोनिक कंडीशन के अंदर ये जो भी मीडियम है जिसमें हम एनिमल सेल रखने वाले हैं, सो सपोज दिस इज अ मीडियम, दिस मीडियम इज एक्चुअली हैविंग अ सॉल्यूशन है तो उसमें सॉल्वेंट रहेगा और सोल्यूट रहेगा. सो ये जो सॉल्यूशन यहाँ पे है, लेट्स से कि इट इज अ सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन. सो दिस सॉल्यूशन विल हैव सम अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर. लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल देयर आर 1000 मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ वाटर एंड 50 molecules of salt. Okay, now in this solution we are putting the animal cell, and for example we are putting the human RBC in this medium. So we are going to put human RBC in this hypotonic medium. That means उसका मतलब ये है कि human RBC के कंपैरिजन में this solution is having less molecules of salt. That is less concentrated solution compared to a solution present inside human RBC. So if we put a human RBC in this hypotonic solution, so this is a human RBC. This human RBC will also have water. So let's say for example कि there are 100 molecules of water inside the RBC and there are 70 molecules of salt inside the RBC. Now compared to the inner environment, the outer environment is hypotonic. So outer environment में water molecules are more, water molecules ज़्यादा है, and the water will have tendency to flow from higher concentration to lower concentration. So बाहर water के molecule ज़्यादा है और अंदर water के molecule कम है, इसलिए water molecule will move from outside to inside. Here the osmosis is taking place, because what is the definition of osmosis? It is the movement of solvent, here water is the solvent, from its higher concentration, that means from outside, to its lower concentration यानी कि अंदर, across a semi-permeable membrane. So here the RBC membrane is acting as a semi-permeable membrane. लेकिन ये कब तक होते रहेगी मूवमेंट? जब तक इक्विलिब्रियम अचीव नहीं होता तब तक. So the water molecule will keep on entering the RBC and this process is called as endoosmosis. So when we put an animal cell in hypotonic condition, the animal cell will undergo endoosmosis. Okay? कब तक? जब तक इक्विलिब्रियम अचीव नहीं होता तब तक. लेकिन जैसे जैसे वाटर मॉलिक्यूल अंदर आना शुरू करेंगे, इक्विलिब्रियम अचीव करने के लिए this RBC will swell. There will be more water molecule inside the RBC and the typical biconcave shape of RBC will change and it will swell. ये swell हो जाएगी. Okay? Then कब तक swelling चालू रहेगा? up till the RBC will get ruptured, यानी ये पानी RBC के अंदर भरना तब तक चालू रहेगा जब तक RBC स्वेल होके रप्चर नहीं हो जाती तब तक. सो द अल्टीमेट रिजल्ट, if we put the animal cell in hypotonic condition, firstly the animal cell will become swelled. Okay, that particular condition is called as turgidity. Clear? So the animal cell will become turgid first, and again it will absorb water, and ultimately it will get rupture. So the ultimate result, when we put animal cell in hypotonic condition, the cell is going to rupture. Now what happens when we place a animal cell in a hypertonic solution? अब हम ये देखेंगे कि हमने अगर एनिमल सेल को हाइपरटोनिक कंडीशन में रखा तो क्या होगा. सो दिस मीडियम इज हाइपरटोनिक मीडियम. दैट मीन्स the medium outside the animal cell is having more amount of salt compared to the medium inside the cell. Okay, so again we are placing RBC in this hypertonic condition. Now inside there are 100 molecules of water and 70 molecules of salt, and outside we are having, is this a hypertonic solution, so outside we are having only 50 molecules of water and 150 molecules of salt. So this medium outside the cell is hypertonic compared to the cell. Clear? Now the water will move from its higher concentration to lower concentration. So here there are 100 molecules of water and here there are 50 molecules of water. So naturally the water will go from cell to outside. Okay, and this process is called as exoosmosis. हमने क्या बोला कि इन हाइपरटोनिक कंडीशन जब हम एनिमल सेल को प्लेस करेंगे तो बाहर वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स कम है, अंदर वाटर मॉलिक्यूल ज़्यादा है, तो नेचुरली वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स विल गो फ्रॉम हायर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन टू लोअर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. इसलिए ये जो अंदर वाले वाटर मॉलिक्यूल है ये बाहर जाएंगे सॉल्यूशन में, एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज exoosmosis. Due to exoosmosis the cell will shrink first. पहले क्या होगा, तो ये आरबीसी जो टिपिकल बाइकॉनकेव शेप की है इट विल श्रिंक. सो आरबीसी विल श्रिंक ड्यू टू लॉस ऑफ वाटर. Clear? Such type of RBC is called as crenated RBCs. So what is the result of putting the cell in hypertonic condition? When we put the animal cell in hypertonic condition, firstly it will shrink. Okay, such type of RBC is called as crenated RBC. Now coming to the last condition, we want to see कि what happens to a cell if we put the cell in isotonic condition. So अब हमने अगर एनिमल सेल को आइसोटोनिक कंडीशन में रखा तो क्या होगा. In this system we are putting the isotonic solution. Isotonic solution, we have to remember two very important examples of isotonic solution. First example of isotonic solution is 0.9% NaCl. Okay, and the second example of isotonic solution is 5% glucose solution. These are the two important examples. These are the two important example we have to remember of isotonic solution. So many times the question has been asked on this thing. Okay, so do remember 0.9% NaCl, that is normal saline, and 5% glucose solution, that is 5% DNS. Okay, these are the two isotonic solution, and we are putting the RBC in this isotonic solution. As the solution is isotonic, that means the water molecule which are present outside and the water molecule which are present inside are same. So let's say for example here there are 100 molecules, 1 molecules of water, and here inside also there are 100 molecules of water. So naturally there will be no net movement of water to, बट सर मूवमेंट चालू रहेगी क्या? यस, मूवमेंट चालू रहेगी, बट नेट मूवमेंट इज जीरो, बिकॉज वेन एवर सम वाटर मॉलिक्यूल विल एंटर इनसाइड द आरबीसी, टू बैलेंस दैट थिंग द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल विच आर इनसाइड द आरबीसी विल ऑल्सो मूव आउटसाइड. Okay, so here both the processes will take place, endoosmosis as well as exoosmosis, but there will be no net movement of water. And in this particular condition, the cell, the human cell, will neither get swell or turgid, or it will never get shrink or crenated. Clear for this thing? So isotonic solution will not affect the human cell. हमने क्या कहा कि जब भी हम आरबीसी को, एक ह्यूमन सेल को आइसोटोनिक सॉल्यूशन के अंदर डालेंगे, तो आइसोटोनिक सॉल्यूशन होने के वजह से वाटर इन और आउट मूवमेंट करेगा, लेकिन देयर विल बी नो नेट मूवमेंट ऑफ वाटर. सो सेल के ऊपर कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, सेल ये श्रिंक भी नहीं होगा और सेल ये टर्जिड भी नहीं होगा. क्लियर? सो आइसोटोनिक सॉल्यूशन डू नॉट change the shape of cell. Clear for this thing? So many times the question has asked on this particular thing. वो हमेशा क्या करते हैं कि इस solution को change कर देते हैं. They will ask you about 9% NaCl solution. 9% NaCl solution is actually a hypertonic condition. So in hypertonic condition, the RBC will shrink. Most of the time they will ask you about 0.5% glucose solution. 0.5% glucose solution is a hypotonic solution. In this particular condition, the cell will turgid or it will swell. Okay, so do remember the concentration. That is the key of solving this type of question. We have to remember 0.9% NaCl and 5% glucose solution are the isotonic solutions. Anything less or anything more than this concentration will shift the solution in hypertonic or hypotonic. Are you clear for this thing? So this is a total effect of animal cell putting in hypotonic, hypertonic and isotonic solution. Now in the next video we'll try to see how plant cell will behave in these particular conditions. Thank you.